Hi, my name's Tom Carpenter, and I'm the author of the LearnKey Voice over IP Fundamentals course. In this course, we learn everything we need to know about voice over IP to be able to manage a voice over IP network. Now what this means is we gain an understanding of voice over IP protocols and technologies, the different solutions offered by companies like Cisco for unified communications. We understand the PSTN and how we connect to it. And then we also look at things like voicemail and presence, troubleshooting voice over IP, and even securing it. So we're going to give you the knowledge you need to get up to speed on voice over IP technologies quickly. I think there are two groups of people that will be interested in the course. The first group would be those who are planning to get their CCNA voice certification. So they already have their CCNA, and now they want to take the ICOM 8 exam to get their CCNA voice certification. But the other group would be those that are new to the voice world, because that's really what this certification is about. It's about taking someone who doesn't know much about voice over IP at all and getting them up to where they understand the fundamentals of voice over IP. So I think both groups will be interested. Well, I think some of the most interesting things about this course are that we do not just cover theory, we actually look at working with the technologies. So we get in there and work with voice commands and features within Cisco routers. We look at configuring Communications Manager Express as well as Unified Communications Manager. And we even look at tools for troubleshooting and so forth. So we look at a lot of things. We actually touch the equipment and work with it. And then we also get to be exposed to how voice over IP actually functions on a network. And interestingly, a lot of people miss that, particularly those that don't go for certifications, those who are just learning about things as they go. They miss a lot of the how does it work because they're too busy putting out the fires, and so they don't get a lot of time to understand that. So this course is going to give a good foundation for exactly how voice over IP actually does work over IP. Well, I think the benefit of taking this training is, first of all, confidence to be able to understand what you're looking at when you're studying voice technologies. But second of all, it is going to give you credible knowledge that is useful in the marketplace. Voice over IP is huge. A lot of people are implementing it today, and they're hiring people to manage their voice networks and so forth. So someone who has this skill set, whether they get the certification or not, if they have the ability to understand and implement voice networks, then they're definitely going to have an advantage in the marketplace.